Hello and welcome to the Pleasure Academy. Today we're diving deep into a fascinating topic, flirting secrets that excite women. Get ready to uncover the psychology, confidence hacks, and subtle techniques that make your flirting natural, charming, and irresistibly attractive. Let's begin. 1. What flirting really means. Flirting isn't about pickup lines or fake charm. It's about creating playful energy and emotional connection. Women get excited when they feel a man's confidence, curiosity, and genuine interest. The key is to be subtle, not desperate. A smile, teasing comment, or light humor can spark attraction faster than compliments ever could. Remember, flirting is a conversation, not a performance. It's about making her feel seen and appreciated without pressure. When done right, it awakens chemistry naturally. Think of it as an elegant dance of words, tone, and eye contact, not a battle for attention. 2. The power of body language. Over 70% of communication is nonverbal, and that's where true flirting happens. Confident posture, relaxed shoulders, and steady eye contact instantly signal self-assurance. When you lean slightly in while speaking or mirror her gestures subtly, it creates subconscious comfort. Women notice your eyes, smile, and energy long before your words. Avoid fidgeting or slouching. Instead, own your space calmly. A slow, genuine smile paired with open body language conveys confidence better than any compliment. Remember, women feel your energy before they hear your words. Flirting that excites begins with how you carry yourself. 3. Confidence without arrogance. Confidence is magnetic. Arrogance repels. The difference lies in intent. Confident men express interest without seeking validation. They know their worth, yet stay humble and curious. When you speak, keep your tone steady and your pace controlled. Show genuine attention instead of overcompensating with bragging. Confidence comes from comfort in your own skin. Arrogance, however, is a mask for insecurity. Women are instinctively drawn to men who exude calm assurance, those who make them feel safe, seen, and respected. So, flirt with quiet certainty. Let your presence speak louder than your words ever could. 4. Playful communication. The secret sauce of flirting is playfulness. Light teasing, witty banter, and humor create excitement. Women love men who can make them laugh while keeping it tasteful and respectful. You don't need to be a comedian, just be authentic and fun. Use humor to break tension, not to show off. A simple, clever remark like, "You seem like trouble," with a smirk can create instant chemistry. Playful communication signals confidence and emotional intelligence. Remember, flirting should feel like a game, not an interview. If she's smiling and engaging back, you're already winning the moment. 5. The power of listening. Most men talk too much when flirting. Great flirters, however, listen deeply. When a woman feels truly heard, she becomes more open and intrigued. Ask curious questions, notice small details, and respond with empathy. Active listening creates emotional tension. It shows you value her perspective. Avoid interrupting or planning your next line while she's speaking. Instead, hold eye contact and let silence work for you. Women find emotional presence extremely attractive. The best flirts know silence, when combined with attention, can say far more than clever words ever could. 6. Compliments that actually work. Generic compliments don't excite. Personalized ones do. Instead of saying, "You're beautiful," try, "Your energy's contagious. You light up the room." Notice what others overlook. Her confidence, laughter, or passion for something. Compliments that highlight personality over looks show emotional depth. Keep it brief and genuine. Overdoing it feels needy. One well-placed, sincere compliment can make her think about you long after the conversation ends. Women crave validation that feels specific and real, not rehearsed. So, next time, skip the cliches. Focus on what truly stands out about her. 7. Emotional intelligence in flirting. Flirting that excites women is grounded in emotional awareness. Read her signals, her tone, her body language, her responses. If she's laughing and leaning in, keep going. If she seems distant, ease off. The ability to sense emotional shifts separates smooth communicators from awkward ones. Emotional intelligence is sexy because it shows maturity and understanding. Women want to feel emotionally safe before they can feel attraction. So don't just react, connect. Understand her vibe, respect her pace, and let the moment unfold naturally. Flirting is less about words and more about emotional rhythm. 8. The mystery element. Mystery is powerful. Don't reveal everything too soon. Share just enough to intrigue her, then pull back slightly. When you maintain a touch of unpredictability, you become more interesting. Women love discovering layers. It makes you memorable. Be confident enough to leave some things unsaid. For example, respond playfully with, "Maybe I'll tell you that story another time." This creates anticipation. Mystery works because it activates curiosity, one of the strongest forms of attraction. Be open but never fully predictable. Let her wonder what's behind your confident smile. 9. Touch, the subtle connection. Physical touch, when done respectfully and appropriately, can amplify chemistry. A light touch on the arm while laughing, or a gentle brush of hands when exchanging something, sends signals of warmth. However, it's crucial to read consent and comfort levels. Women get excited when touch feels natural, not forced. The key is subtlety and timing. Touch should follow emotional connection, not replace it. Respect boundaries, that's what makes touch meaningful. When done right, it builds trust and heightens attraction without saying a word. Always let her comfort guide your pace. 10. Storytelling that captivates. Good stories are irresistible. When you share experiences with emotion and detail, you draw her into your world. Women are naturally drawn to storytellers, men who can paint feelings with words. Share moments that reveal your values, humor, and passion. Instead of listing achievements, tell a story that shows them. For example, describe how a travel mishap turned into a funny memory. Storytelling triggers emotion and imagination, both vital to excitement. Keep it authentic, expressive, and concise. The right story not only entertains but also creates connection and desire. 11. Flirting through text. In today's world, flirting often starts online. The key is balance. Be intriguing, not overbearing. Use short, witty texts that show interest without chasing. Humor, emojis, and playful tone work well when used sparingly. For example, "I'm not sure if you're trouble or just pretending to be." Avoid dry "hey" messages or constant replies. Let curiosity build between responses. The secret is emotional pacing. Too much feels clingy, too little feels cold. Keep conversations light, flirty, and full of personality. Texting should amplify attraction, not replace real connection. 12. The confidence of silence. Most men fear silence, but silence, when comfortable, is powerful. Women are drawn to men who don't rush to fill every pause. It shows self-assurance and control. A calm, composed presence during silence communicates dominance without aggression. When you can hold eye contact and simply smile, it creates intense emotional tension. Silence becomes a tool of attraction. It gives her space to feel the moment. Remember, confidence isn't loud, it's grounded. Sometimes the most exciting thing you can say is nothing at all. 13. Flirting with authenticity. Attraction thrives on authenticity. Pretending to be someone else might impress briefly, but it never excites deeply. Women can sense when you're real, and that's what builds trust and chemistry. Authentic flirters don't use lines, they use presence. They express interest without fear of rejection. When you show up as your true self, curious, confident, kind, you become magnetic. Authentic flirting isn't performance. It's connection. It's about being fully present, fully you. That's what turns a casual conversation into something unforgettable. 14. Turning flirting into connection. The ultimate secret? Flirting is just the beginning. The goal isn't endless banter. It's genuine connection. Once you've built tension, shift toward emotional depth. Ask about her dreams, passions, and what excites her in life. When a woman feels both desired and understood, attraction transforms into chemistry. Flirting opens the door, authenticity keeps it open. Remember, the best flirtation isn't about tricks, it's about energy, curiosity, and presence. Keep things light, respectful, and real. That's how you turn sparks into lasting fire. So, those are the flirting secrets that truly excite women. Not manipulation, but confidence, connection, and playful energy. Every moment, from your body language to your silence, tells a story. Master these skills and you'll naturally stand out from the crowd. Remember, the goal isn't to impress, it's to connect. Flirt with respect, lead with authenticity, and let your energy speak for you. Thanks for watching the Pleasure Academy. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs these flirting secrets. Stay confident, stay kind, and keep mastering the art of attraction. See you soon.